Hi, I'm Matt Beebe with Mazak Music in San Marcos, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a broken peg from the bridge of an acoustic guitar. Now, if you can see on this particular guitar, one of the bridge pins has broken off when trying to remove it. Now, sometimes when removing the bridge pins from the bridge of an acoustic guitar with something like this, a bridge pin puller, from time to time one of those bridge pins may break off inside of the bridge. Now, in most scenarios, it's fairly easy to remove the broken bridge pin from the bridge of the guitar. It's as easy as putting your hand through the sound hole of the guitar, finding the bottom of that bridge pin underneath the bridge, and gently, or sometimes you may need to use a little bit more force, when pushing the bridge pin through the bottom of the bridge out through the top. Now, from time to time, bridge pins may become somewhat stuck inside of the bridge, and by putting your hand through the sound hole and pushing up may not be enough. So from time to time, you may use something just like the bridge pin puller and use the flat surface on it to put through the sound hole and again push up through the bridge pin. Using the flat part of the bridge pin puller, you may insert this through the sound hole and again push up with a little bit more force on the bridge pin to force it from the bridge. Hey, I'm Matt Beebe with Mazak Music here in San Marcos, Texas, and I just showed you how to remove a broken peg from the bridge of an acoustic guitar.